The course consists of 3 major sections: interactive audio lessons, culture lessons, and grammar support. To start with, let's explain what that big loudspeaker at the top of the page is. Now, this is your teacher, or actually, your teachers. When you click on it, you'll hear the introduction to a lesson, the meaning of a word or a sentence together with its proper pronunciation, or a full explanation of an aspect of Norwegian grammar. It will be like having a teacher next to you in your room. Why did we create such a thing? Well, we do know how difficult it is to learn a foreign language only from books. Our teachers are there to motivate you. They will encourage you to learn more and to move on from one lesson to another. On each page, below the interactive audio lessons, you will find the transcript of the dialogue used in the lesson. These dialogues form the core of the lessons, and the teacher's commentary is built around them. The dialogues are also translated into English and recorded for you to be able to listen to them. You will find them at the bottom of each page. There, you will also find the same recordings with one of the speakers left out, so that you can take part in the conversation and practice your pronunciation by replacing them. The Lingua Sunrise course is designed for students who are just beginning their adventure with Norwegian. At present, there are no online courses like it. None of those that are available can offer you so many features and tools as the Lingua Sunrise course. They are all here, just one click away, waiting for you to discover them. We wish you good luck and hope you join.